Hi, Javon B. Wright here with www.javonb.com. I want to thank you for taking the time and clicking on this video. As you may have viewed some of my other videos that I have, I will be shooting 2 or 3 videos tonight, so you may see a link where I haven't actually changed. Doesn't mean I didn't change a couple of days. Just means I'm shooting a couple of videos back to back. What I want to do in this video is I'm asking guys for support for my book, which is Stay in Motion. Guys, what I'm doing is I actually give my time. My passion is my youth. But I do teach on leadership, I teach on overcoming obstacles, and I teach on motivation. These are life skills that I'm giving back to our youth. Now, I have taught these classes to adults, but my passion is the youth, so that's where I've been dedicating my time to. The book is a very practical book. This is a very easy to read book, and it illustrates 10 steps to help you achieve success. Again, this is 10 steps that ripple success. So you can use these steps in any aspect of your life. Okay, anything that you're doing, you can apply these 10 steps to, and this will allow you to, this will help you stay more focused. This will help you to just kind of stay on that path so that you can get to the destination, so that you can continuously keep your eye on the path and help you put one foot in front of another. And that's exactly what we're doing, guys. So again, I want you to go to the website, www.javonb.com. Guys, pick up the book. The book is Stay in Motion. That is my motto. You'll see it on the website. And that just, and to me, motion is life. This is actually the second edition of the book. This has scripture support in the beginning of every single chapter. There's going to be a few more pages in the back for you to write down some notes and things like that. This is, again, a very practical book, very easy to read. You can get this, use it for yourself, or give it as a gift. This is definitely a blessing, a blessing, a blessing. It's been a blessing to me. I've been able to do just various and numerous things. I am a speaker, so if you are curious about speaking engagements, guys, go to the website, click on booking, fill out the quick form, and shoot me an email. Or feel free to just send an email directly to me. You can send it to the website, info@javonb.com or javonb357@gmail.com. Go to the website. It is a little bit easier. So I want to thank you guys again for clicking on this link, checking out this video. And once again, the book Stay in Motion, very practical, easy to read book, guys. Give it away as a gift. Please support, guys. Allow me to continue doing the things that I'm doing. All right? Thanks a bunch.